Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the MCQ based question, current affairs question of 26th November 2022. We will discuss about the MCQ based question of current affairs of 26th November 2022. So the first question is, when is International Day for the Elimination of Violence against women observed? Option A 24th November, option B 25th November, option C 26th November, option D 27th November. So correct option is option B. On 25th of November, the International Day for the Elimination of Violence against Women is observed. And the theme of this International Day for Elimination of Violence against Women is Unite Activism to End Violence Against Women and Girls. This is the theme of International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women. Next is question 2. With which country Qatar signed the world longest gas supply deal? Option A is India, option B is Saudi Arab, option C is China, option D is Iran. So correct option is the option C. With China, the Qatar has signed the world longest gas supply deal. Question 3. In which state Bank of Baroda opened its first dedicated mid-corporate branch? Option is Chennai, option B Thrissur, option C is Bangalore, option D is Kochi. So correct option is the option D. At Kochi, Kerala, the State Bank of Baroda opened its first dedicated mid-corporate branch. Next is question 4. Who is appointed as the CEO designate of the Deloitte India? Deloitte is the UK-based company. It is the UK-based company. Option A is the Romel Sethi, option B is the Rohit Sethi, option C is the Ramakant Sethi, option D is the Abhay Sethi. So correct option is option A. Romel Sethi has been appointed as the CEO designate of Deloitte India. Next is question 5. Which is the India's third largest private sector bank? Option A is Axis Bank, option B is ICICI Bank, option C is the HDFC Bank, option D is the Federal Bank. So correct option is the option A. Axis Bank is the third largest private sector bank, and the largest private sector bank is the HDFC. It is the largest private sector bank. It is the largest private sector bank. That is the HDFC Bank. And recently, the Axis Bank has partnership with the Flipkart to launch the Super Elite credit card for shopping purpose. Question 6 is the which company constructed the INS Mormugao? Its option is the A. Majgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited, B. Kochi Shipbuilders Limited, C. Hindustan Shipyard Limited, option D. L&T Shipbuilding Limited. So correct option is option A. Majgaon Dock Shipbuilders Limited has constructed the INS Mormugao, and it is the second ship of the project 15B, a stealth destroyer, and it is designed by the Warship Design Bureau. Next is question 7. Which space agency announced the name of world first disabled astronauts? Option is NASA, option B is ISRO, option C the JAXA, option D the European Space Agency. So correct option is the option D. European Space Agency has announced the name of world first disabled astronauts, and his name is the British Paralympic sprinter John McFall. The NASA is the space agency of USA, ISRO is the space agency of India, and JAXA is the space agency of Japan. Next is question 8. Who conducted exercise Samanvay 2022? Option A is Indian Navy, option B the Indian Air Force, option C the Indian Army, option D the Indian Coastal Guard. So correct option is the Indian Air Force, Option B is the correct option. So Indian Air Force has conducted the exercise named Samanvay 2022 and it is organized at the Agra in Uttar Pradesh. Question 9. Who is appointed as the new army chief of Pakistan? Option A is the General Qamar Javed Bajwa. Option B is the Mariam Aurangzeb. Option C is the Lieutenant General Asim Munir. Option D is the General Rahil Sharif. So correct option is the option C. Lieutenant General Asim Munir has been appointed as the new army chief of the Pakistan. Next is which state or union territory organizes the annual youth festival Sonjal 2022? Option A is Ladakh, option B is Punjab, option C is Haryana, option D is the Jammu Kashmir. So correct option is the option D. Jammu Kashmir organizes the annual youth festival Sonjal 2022 and it has been inaugurated by the Lieutenant General of Jammu and Kashmir Manoj Sinha. Question 11. Who has won the boys single champions at the 34th Under 13 National Badminton Championship? Option A is the Nishant Bhukia. Option B is the Yash Gaurav Sinha. Option C is the Riyan Malhan. Option D is the Neeraj Nair PS. So correct option is option A. Nishant Bhukia has won the boys single and Tanvi Patri has won the girls single title. Question 12. When was Prasar Bharati established? Option A 23rd November 1998. Option B 24th November 1998. Option C 23rd November 1997. Option D the 24th November 1998. So correct option is the option C. On 23rd November of the 1997, the Prasar Bharati was established and recently the Prasar Bharati has celebrated 25 years of their establishment. 25 years of their establishment. And the Prasar Bharati headquarters is located in New Delhi and its current CEO is the Gaurav Dwivedi. Question 13. The 22nd Council of Ministers meeting of the Indian Ocean Rim Association is held at which place? Option A is Kathmandu, option B is the Colombo, option C is the Bangkok, option D is the Dhaka. So correct option is option D at Dhaka. The 22nd Council of Ministers meeting of Indian Ocean Rim Association is held. Question 14. Sukhtal Lake. Sukhtal Lake is located in which state? Option A is Uttar Pradesh, option B the Arunachal Pradesh, option C the Himachal Pradesh, option D the Uttarakhand. So Sukhtal Lake is located in the Uttarakhand. So correct option is option number D, Uttarakhand. And recently the Uttarakhand High Court has banned the construction activity around the Sukhtal Lake because during the rainy season it will recharge the Naini Lake. Next is question number 15. The Nepal Prime Minister Sher Bahadur Deuba has been elected for how many times from the home districts of Dadel Dhura? Option A is 7 times, B is 8 times, C 9 times, D is 6 times. So he has been elected for consecutively for the 7 times. So correct option is option A, 7 times. Question 16. NSO launched the India's first computer-based survey for unemployment rate in which year? Option A is the April 2017, B is April 2018, C is March 2017, D is March 2018. So correct option is the option A. In the April 2017, the NSO has launched India's first computer-based survey. Next is question 17. Garuda Shakti is joint military exercise between which country? Option A is India and USA. Option B is India and Singapore. Option C is the India and Indonesia. Option D is the India and Japan. So correct option is the option C. between India and Indonesia. Between India and Indonesia, the joint military exercise Garuda Shakti. Garuda Shakti exercise. Question 18. Which company has acquired the packaged water Bisleri? Option A Adani Group. Option B the Reliance Industries. Option C is Coca-Cola India. Option D is the Tata Consumer. So recently Tata Consumer has acquired the packaged drinking water company Bisleri. Correct option is option D. Question 19. Who has been honored with Lifetime Achievement Award 2022 by the FICCI? Option A the Rajendra Pawar, B the Ramesh Pawar, option C the Dr. R.A. Maselka, option D the Suresh Pawar. So correct option is the option A. Rajendra Pawar has been honored with the Lifetime Achievement Award 2022 by the FICCI. The full form of FICCI is the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. Next is question 20. Who breaks the world record for the highest individual score in the men's List A cricket? Option A is the Narayan Jagdishan, option B the Sai Sudharasan, option C T Natarajan, option D the Baba Aparajit. So correct option is the option A Narayan Jagdishan. Option A is the correct option. So this is the current affairs news of the 26th November. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share my video. For any suggestion, please comment on the comment section.